Lady Yelu Xian, fierce and deadly Manchu assassin. Riko of the Koga clan, a fearsome and relentless warrior. Silent until the strike, merciless in execution. Legends say he once infiltrated a daimyo's fortress alone, leaving no soul alive but a single child.
Your clan spilled innocent blood. I'm just here to collect the debt. This will be like taking candy from a baby.
You've come far just to die in this forest. Are you sure your vengeance is worth it? You think your speed makes you invincible?
I will use my bare hands to rip you apart.
I've broken warriors twice your size with half your arrogance.
Fool. You're a fool. Your legend ends where mine begins. You dare to disturb me during my meditation.
Then come, let history choose its survivor.
And I've buried masters who talked louder than they fought.